Ford F-150 key fobs from 2018 to 2024 generally use a CR2450 3-volt lithium coin battery. Some 2023 plus models with premium packages might use a CR2032, so double check inside the fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the keyring slot or seam on the fob and gently pry it open. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short-circuiting the components inside. Ford's 2025 service bulletins advise checking for water damage or corrosion once the fob is open, especially on 2022 to 2024 models, which are sealed to prevent moisture. Once the fob is open, remove the old battery. Note the orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2450 or CR2032 battery in the same orientation, positive side up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob by trying to lock and unlock your doors from 30 to 50 feet away. If it doesn't work, reprogram the fob using your vehicle's infotainment system. Consult your owner's manual. If issues continue, seek professional service. Remember to use genuine Ford batteries to prevent compatibility issues and potential warranty voidance.